Hey guys, Aidan Moriarty, project engineer intern with Aslan. Behind me here we have the steel for our first sequence being inventoried right now. It just got delivered. Over here we have our Perry Skydeck. So this is forming our L1.1 pour. We're going to be able to pour concrete right on top of that as soon as they're finished getting everything in place, and then that'll make up our first level. Down here on G1 we have wall pour number 4 getting its form work put on. That's going to be poured half this week, half next week. We've got elevator lift number 3 making up the top floor of our elevator, so that'll be poured sometime shortly. And then we've got stair number 1 getting its rebar put on for a pour coming up next week.
Kyler Larson here, project engineer co-op. Behind me is Elvendale. They're working on some of the CMU backup walls right now. We can see that the sheathing on L2 is going up as well. And behind me a little bit more is our roofers, and they're working on the ice and water on top of our metal decking roof. Now we are on the east wing of Elvendale, and behind me we're working on the structural steel framing and the metal decking on L1 and L2. Soon to be poured in the upcoming weeks for both of those. All right, we have now made it to our G1 on the west side, and we're working on our cold metal framing on the interior. These are going to be for our office spaces, our bathrooms, our hallways. It's going to be finishing up here shortly. We are now on our top hat in Elvendale. This is L1, and we're standing on our 2 slab on metal decks. These got finished pouring on Monday.
Hey, project engineer intern here, standing on our G0.8 lid pour. So this was poured last Friday. It was about 1,350 cubic yards. And like we mentioned in the previous video, we had PEX tubing lines running through our beams to keep the concrete chilled throughout the duration of the pour. And these were successful in doing this. And we actually got out of our thermal control plan the quickest out of any of our lid pours.
Hey guys, we are in the mechanical exhaust room of the black hole, staring down into one of our area wells. Around me here we have our insulation sheathing, and we're going to be putting wall panels on top of that. Inside the room to my left here, we already have our wall panels up, and we're going to be moving into this area now.
Nathan Novak here, project engineering intern for Findorf. Behind me I have elevator shafts 2 and 5. This just got done within the past last weeks. G4, 3, and 2 are all done, and I'm standing on G1, which just got finished. This elevator will see its way up to the building above us in the next coming years.
Standing up here now on our G1.9 elevated deck pour. Right now ironworkers behind me are working on installing our top mat of rebar and getting everything buttoned up before this deck will get poured next week Tuesday. Tunnel excavation now. The ERS system is down even with our G4 level now, and the excavation has one more lift left that'll take us down an extra 20 feet from where we're at right now.
We lit up your world like the 4th of July. Hey, Uncle Sam, put your name at the top of his list. And the Statue of Liberty started shaking her fist, and